There's a little extra sparkle in the sign recently installed at Radio Design Group's building in Rogue River. The sign was created by Fiber Optic Lighting of Grants Pass, with help along the way from other local businesses including Logan Design, Gates Furniture, and Applin's Auto Body. Radio Design Group was established 20 years ago by Jim Hendershot, who came up with the idea for the sign.
Well, Jim Hendershot has always been interested in fiber optics, and he actually had us put fiber in his floor in his home when he built that. So when he built his new building, he wanted to have a fiber optic sign as part of the skin of the building. So it's actually a really unique sign because it's part of the structure. Well, what's exciting about this sign is there's almost 7 miles of fiber in the sign itself, but it's powered by 6 of these light sources. And the light sources have a 50-watt halogen lamp and a color wheel, and the color wheel is what gives you the implied motion on the face of the sign. So here you see the bundles of fiber, and these are in the light source, and the light shines through the fiber back here, and it goes to the front of the sign, which you'll see when the sign's on the building. Well, the front of the building is made out of panels that are made out of a product that's a composite material, so it's part metal and part plastic, and it doesn't expand or contract. A lot of filling stations use that for their whole entire structure, and it's a really good material because weather doesn't really permeate it. So we took the skin, this one panel that's 15 feet long and I believe it's 3 feet tall, and we put the logo on it with auto paint, actually. And that was where Applin's Auto Body came in because we don't have a paint booth in our building.
Fiber Optic Lighting didn't have a truck big enough to transport the sign, so Giff and Nick Gates hauled it to Rogue River in one of their furniture trucks. Lipson said the half-dozen halogen lamps that power the sign will cost pennies per day to operate. The sign was installed on Wednesday. Construction of the Radio Design Group building is expected to wrap up late this summer.